Okay, this video is how to get the maximum power out of your VoltBike Yukon 750. Although I think this should work for just about all the Volt bikes, but I haven't tested on them, so I'm just going to do this here for the 750. Now, when you have it delivered, this bike is set for a maximum current draw of 15 amps. Uh, 15 amps times 48 volts, 48 volt power pack is like 740 watts. So that's the maximum power. Will be around 800 watts that you can get out of this, out of the factory. Now, if you look at the controller cover, so if you take the cover off of this controller here, which is the computer that regulates all this, you'll see that it is capable of a maximum of 20 amps. So what a lot of people do, including myself, we go into the programming and we change it to 20 amps to try to get more power out of it. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to do anything. Doesn't give you any more power. So up until recently, I think we all believed that you would need to get a PC and the software and plug it in to the controller directly and change it from the controller and not from the display and button here. But what we've discovered is that actually if you change the current setting to 19, it won't ignore that, and you'll get maximum you'll get the 19 amps, which will give you well over 1,000 watts of power. Okay, so let me demonstrate that here. So currently it's set to 20, and you'll see that when I go to set it to 19 that it's at 20. But I'm going to take off here, and I am going to look at the power consumption. So right down here on where it says trip, I'm going to press the power button a few times till I get to P. There you go. So that P is for power, and I'm at 0 because I'm not drawing any power right now. And okay, so let's I'm going to take off and go to full throttle. Full throttle will give me as much power as I can that I can ask for at this current setting of 20 amps. If it was 20 amps, I should be getting, closer to 1,200 watts, but it won't go above 800. Oh, so here we go. Okay, so now I'm on full throttle. You look at the display here, and I'm at 770 is where I'm peaking. Okay? 770. All right. So now I'm going to go into the advanced programming mode and change that to 19 amps. So how do you do that? It's pretty simple. You double click on your power button, takes you into programming mode. I'm going to push the power button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm in password, and I'm going to change that to 1919. So I'll push the up button for 1, press the power button for the next digit, push the minus button for 9, power button plus, power button minus. So now I have 1919. That's the password. And I press enter, and then I'm going to press the power button one more time, and it's going to show current limit 20. That's what I had. I'm going to set that to 19. Press the power button. Now I'm going to wait a few seconds and just let it drop out of advanced programming mode or programming mode. There we go. And now I'm going to go to maximum current again using full throttle. Okay, so here we go. Look at that. I'm over 1,000 watts right now. And you can feel a good bump in acceleration. So having more power will not make the bike any faster. The speed is dictated by the voltage. So the voltage doesn't change. But what power does is it gives you torque, gives you oomph. So you should be able to get to your speed quicker. It also helps in sticky situations like in traffic and that sort of stuff to have that amount of extra amount of torque from the power that you're getting. So that's pretty much the most you can get out of this bike, and it is a significant bump. You should feel it. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.